So, Appel and Orange. Oh, why did Sam have to go? It's about his house.
What? Oh.
Yeah. So.
We could make so many jokes while he's like trying
Yeah.
to listen.
Just talk about his apple and orange trees.
Did you see Ben had a pull request for the
Really?
one of the problems last week?
No, I didn't.
I guess he just randomly decided it's a Java 8 solution which uses some of the new
Huh.
features.
He starts like trying to beat our Python one-liners, but in Java. Sounds like no. It's actually it'd sound more like Ben if it were C++, like using some C++ 14 stuff. So Sam's house has an apple and orange tree.
Where is Sam?
He had a lot of homework, so he headed out.
Oh, hi.
What's up?
I like Foo Fighters.
More of a Red Hot Chili Peppers guy. Foo is alright though. So today, we're extremely unprepared. So there's a contest going on right now. It's like a problem is opened up each day, and right now there's only 2 problems open because it just started a couple days ago, and they're both rated easy. So we should be able to knock them out pretty quick. Maybe even get some one-liners. So this is apple and orange. Yeah, it doesn't.
It's not healthy. It got hit by the hurricane.
Well,
That's
you'll have to
that's
tell
why
Sam all about it whenever you see him again.
That's
So,
why there's
okay, so the red region is Sam's house, where S is the starting point, T is the ending point. Okay. Zoom in a little more. Assume the trees are located on a single point, where the apples are A, that's a B. Cool. D is from the tree origin. Okay. Oh wow, this is an easy problem.
This is a really easy problem.
Nah, man, it's too hard. I can't do it.
All you
I
need
give
is
up.
an if and an else if, and then you go. Maybe you kind of need an else on that. I can't think of any one-line ways to evaluate this.
Yeah, I mean it's easier to think of like the more intuitive solution and then try to make it into one line. Yeah. So, first thing contains S and T. Let's get those. Oh wow, it already gives it to me. Alright, cool. That's even more convenient. If only they did that at the contest.
Right.
So, they could have done this better though. They should have done this better. Yeah. I would do this myself. Just saying, See how many lines you can get rid of? You are. Cool. So, got the apples, the oranges. So we're supposed to output. First line is how many apples fell in his house, and then oranges. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't even know why there's 2 different things then. Like, whatever. So, I guess for A and apple. change it to, you know, Pum. Let's start writing our code in other languages. Alright, so apple tree is on the left. So we want to check if that plus D is greater than or equal to S. Yeah. Don't even need parentheses. What am I doing?
You gotta wonder though, for the
What are-
input, should you check to see that it's greater than S but less than T?
We want to see if it is
Not the input.
if A plus apple is greater than
S and less
Because it,
Yeah.
theoretically speaking, if you have an
like
apple
we don't even
tree,
need D and stuff.
like if the apple
Do we?
falls, but it falls on the other side of the house, then it hasn't hit the house.
Yeah, you just gotta check if it's within S and T. So if
Well, D is A.
Huh?
D is A.
No, A is the starting position of the tree, D is how far it
Well,
falls.
D is the apples.
Yeah.
You know.
yeah, they just whatever different names. So if apple plus A just for clarity.
Oh no, it hit the corner of my table.
If only we had the like all of our problems gone to us like these. We're gonna like get done in like 10 minutes.
The other one's about the scissors.
Oh. So, never mind. You can immediately like there is actually optimization you could do to this. So like, oh, it's a negative thing and it's on the apple tree, so clearly it's not gonna hit the house.
So
Oh.
you would say orange plus the B value is less than or equal to T.
Or you'd
Because
say
you would want a negative value for orange.
say B minus orange.
Well, that wouldn't necessarily work.
B's
If you
over
say
here.
B minus orange, you have a negative value. You're actually adding it on the right.
That's true. So you do
You would do B plus orange.
B plus orange.
Because if you have a value of
Keep
10
with my-
and T is 6, you want a negative 4 or more.
Probably. Oh, look at that. Alright. We can, yeah, well, let's submit it first. Then we'll see about condensing it.
It's about condensing your face.
Fails.
Hey!
Wow, look at us go.
And they always told me that when you program, you'll never get it on the first try.
First try? Cherokee always gets it on the first try. Never fails. Alright, so.
It never falls downstairs.
Can you do a count, a lambda function?
No, I
and
thought
that's the
so.
lambda?
It's a town.
Well, you can just do count apple for apple and apples if
Oh,
yeah. Let's see, is it apple count? What's that? Yeah, sure.
You know what's crazy, you guys? These tables are worth more than $1,500.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
What's so special about these tables?
Don't ask me. It looks like a table to me.
Actually, you don't need to do count. You need to do length. Yeah. So, see, we don't even need any. Yeah, we don't need M and N. Do need A and B.
What are M and N anyway?
I think it's just like the count for it or something.
Yeah. How many apples are on the apple tree?
Yeah, we don't need that Python. Hey,
Yeah, orange scrub please. So we can't read. I don't know that because I played a really, really dumb game about to read. Hey Zach.
Huh?
My nipples were.
oh wait, what? Oh,
Because you added.
yeah, I need to do yeah.
comma.
No, I need to do a new line because it's expecting it on 2 different lines. What?
No.
What?
Oh, because your M&M is reading inputs. You got rid of.
Oh, I do need it then.
Oh.
Or can you just do A, B, and
Right.
then like just read it before, but only take the tuple?
Wait, why aren't you? How would I need M and M?
You need to repeat them in at least.
Oh yeah. I just need to not care about them.
Yeah.
Uh, What was that? The
It looks
input
exactly like the other ones, it's just M and M.
third line. Yeah.
Yeah, just literally just copy that and then.
Actually, I can just do
duplicate
this.
variable names.
Huh?
Your duplicate variable names.
No, underscore in Python is like I don't care. It's like don't store it.
Just
Yeah.
Input.
Oh wait, yeah, I don't even need to do that. Yeah. Actually, just say input. Yeah. Oh man. Don't need sys.
Who needs comments?
I mean, this is a shebang though. Tells it that it's using Python 3 and not 2, but so I don't know. I doubt they really need that in there. I don't know how HackerRank does it, so yeah. See, there we go. We got rid of another line.
So why do you need a white space?
Yeah. I don't think this will work.
Yeah, comma and then space.
I don't know if it'll work or not actually though.
Word.
You have to put in the list.
No, if
Yeah.
you, yeah, if you separate in commas,
Yeah.
it's fine.
And then do C and then do your input as well.
Yeah. Or I just yeah.
Yeah.
It's 3 lines.
It's not no. It's gonna be an error. Yeah.
Need more than 3 values to unpack.
Oh, it's thinking I'm trying to unpack that first tuple into 5 values.
Oh.
Yeah. So you can't do that. I think we've we've done enough though.
The solution is one line.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. We'll go with that. There we go. That's it. That's it for today, guys. Happy ladybugs. You know, our team mascot at my high school was a red bug. Like the only school with that mascot like in the world, which sounds amazing when you put it that way. It's not. Of course, I mean red bugs are completely different than ladybugs. Like red bugs are the little tiny red bugs that bite and crap. So,
The
anyway.
chiggers?
No, it's different than that. Like they're just as bad. But anyway, Happy Ladybugs is a board game. Okay. Represented by a stream B of LinkedIn. Okay. Huh? Yeah. It's like
There's like 5 cases for this entire.
it's just a weird like context. It's like we've basically done this exact same problem before. Just
It was the ones and zeros.
yeah, I mean that one's similar. I don't yeah, because you can, move the ladybug. So given the value is going to be again exactly what it
So what's easier about this one is that it's in some number of moves, not a limited number of moves like the zeros, ones, plus.
Yeah.
You don't have to do move stuff.
Like, you
Ah,
don't have to
man.
actually determine
You gotta
what's
use
possible.
Dijkstra's algorithm. Yeah.
I use the min-max algorithm.
Oh man. First line contains entry G, denoting number of games. If I'm awake, you can say it. Oh man. Denying the number of games. 2 G's, subsequent lines. Alright, cool. Let's just write some code. Oh, they actually give a lot of examples. See, why do they do that? They use different variable names than their write-up. And that's a common thing they do on here too, is they'll use like A0 when they're doing that stuff.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think they need that. It's like the first one tells how many ladybugs, and each one after that is number of cells on the board, then the string. So we don't even need that number. Okay. Initial board. Okay. Wow, that is easy. Alright. Don't need the length. I guess we can keep it. So it's not just about the count of each character though. There's also the amount of empty space you have in the board. But I want to use something that I found out about the other day. It's a thing called counter, and with it, oh look at that, still in Python. I think that's from like 2 days ago.
Predictions out.
Yeah. So if I do if I have a string, so b equals, what was their example? RBY, YBR. Yeah, with that, you can do, I don't remember exactly what it returns, but yeah. Counts it all for you. I'm like, so great, man. So, sure, call it C. counter B.
You should probably run it and make sure that it doesn't, that it actually has the collections thing.
Yeah, collections is built in.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
standard one.
Your in range needs to be a G.
Huh?
It's in range Q.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. So
There's like 6 cases for this. It's like if there's a color that only has one, it's invalid.
yeah.
You can't have a pair. If there's no colors and it's only a line, that's a yes. If there is an even number and an empty space, then it's valid.
Really, just if you don't have to say if it's just equal to 1 on this part, you can just say if it's odd.
Well, you know,
Huh?
it needs to just be 1. If it's odd, it'll still work.
That's
You
right.
have
Yeah.
3 next to
Yeah,
it.
you're right.
If you have 1, then there's only 3 has to be.
No. Yeah, I need to. Yeah, if I do that. Oh, well, no, I do need a break. Never mind. I forgot there was more than one case. Or whatever. I mean, more than one.
We're using
Board.
just case.
Huh?
Or not case, but it's not switch in Python.
No, there's not a switch. There's like no need because if, elif, and so on. I mean,
Well, it's like saying there's no need to have switch statements because there's if and else.
well, it's just in Python. It's so clean as it is. It's like a switch is gonna get compiled basically into the exact same thing as if else. So are there cases?
And
If-
there's also the case if it's already solved when you read it in. So we have to write a function to check for that. And this is another way to do that. Like if you have YB, that's an invalid solution. But YYBB is a valid solution.
Yeah. So I guess for that you could say, I don't know if there is a shortcut way of checking that.
The way that I wrote it was, here's the first character is the start.
Well,
You move through, and then you say
Mm.
like, Boolean can change is true. And then you keep up with, this is a terrible solution, but it's how they, you know. And then you keep up with a list of C characters.
wait,
Basically, you
list of what characters?
Like characters you've already seen.
Okay.
just use this. I think what you do is like you have a set, and if it's
Yeah.
something that's not in the set, you add it to the set.
Right.
Um,
But if it's already in the set, you break out because.
So the loop
'cause then you
after the starting one. So you would start after starting one, then say if the C is. If you've seen that one before, then
No, you do if
The problem is that if you have ones that are
if C is equal to
actually no,
well C is equal to S0. Yeah. Or not S0, start.
can you not just say if C in set?
that's what I did at first. Yeah.
Um,
Well, I mean, I was confused. I think I was confused at first as to how you were going to use the set.
well, at first I was gonna say it was a problem because a set only tracks whether it's actually been seen or not how many. But the thing is, we could call this after what we've got here.
Yeah.
We know for a fact that all of our colors have more than one entry.
I think you could, I mean, not in Python, but you could also use a stack. probably can do it.
I mean,
I use a string.
Yeah,
I'm
it's just,
pretty
I don't
sure
know,
that
it
if
seems so weird to do though.
But it's like if C is equal, well, it's not really start, it's like current character.
Oh, let me see something.
I mean, if we don't have any odd counts of colors,
No,
and we
it's
have
not
at
good.
least one
I was wondering
empty
if I could-
space, it's always going to be possible to color.
But it's this is valid. I'm gonna check for the case of like the original input is already solved. Like if you put YYBB, that's valid.
Wait, do we have to output? Because the problem is this was the output the solve version.
Just yes or no whether or not you can do it.
Well, then all you would have to say, you just have to go through the string, and if you've seen an underscore, you're done.
Well, it's not necessarily if you've seen an underscore though. I mean, like you have to, like if there's because just the fact that it has an empty space doesn't necessarily mean that it's doable. I don't think.
Well, you can swap any ladybug to any empty space. Given enough time, you're going to have enough matches to get it done.
I mean, if that were the case, we don't need this function.
Well, I mean, the thing is you just have to
Do you?
verify if there's an underscore in it to begin with.
You need the function to verify the input, which doesn't satisfy any of the other constraints, is valid on input. Because there's like 5 cases, right? There's empty set of just the underscore, that's a yes. There's, if you have like Y underscore, if there's an odd or there's a 1 for the color, that's a no, so you can't have a neighbor. Then there's, if there's more than 1 for every single one and an underscore, that's valid. And then there's, if there's no underscore, you can't
There's
move
no
it.
underscore then, but if it's already in,
But if it's already valid,
Yeah.
it's valid.
Okay, so that's what you're saying a bunch for. That's to satisfy the very last
case.
possible case.
Yeah.
I see what you're saying now.
Just why am I thinking? Why are we like? I don't know. This is really easy.
You can
I'm just
always-
like trying to think of like some really brilliant, like super easy way of doing it, instead of just
There's
taking the
nowhere
easy
more-
route.
You do need like a set, so you can see what you've already checked for, and then you need to have like a starting character, and you need to find the last instance of that character, and then you need to change over to the next one.
So you're saying I'm gonna go through all the, characters or whatever in S, skipping the first one since we've already looked at it, and then if the one is not equal to start, I mean you could do either, but
If it's equal to the previous one,
so start.
yes,
Unless, well,
we're gonna call it.
Yeah, if it's equal to the previous one, then you just continue, right? Because that's fine.
Yeah, but you also want to.
You need a, I was gonna say, you need you need a boolean,
Yeah, to say like previous is valid or something.
yeah, like,
Or like can change.
stick with my convention,
That should be false.
yeah, so,
And you need to, before all that stuff, on top of else, you need to check if you've seen it before. Because if it's
oh yeah,
on a,
you're saying inside of,
in the else,
so if you have seen it before,
you've seen it before, then you want to return false. Because, like, if this would be like if you're A, A, B, and then you go back to A again, that's an invalid solution. You've already seen it before, and it's a different than the previous.
What about AA, BB, AA?
That's not valid.
Wait, no.
No,
Wait.
all the neighbors have to be.
Oh, all of
Makes
them.
sense.
Well, you don't have to have everything in one color grouped up together as long as they have the neighbor who was fitting color.
I think they all have to be grouped together.
You scroll. Keep scrolling. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. A ladybug is happy only when its left or right adjacent cell is occupied by another ladybug having the same color. They don't all have to be together. So A, A, B, B, A, A would work.
Alright. Then you gotta keep up the list of scenes.
So you need to check if yeah. Then
So now you need to write a unit test so we can test that function.
yeah. No, we're supposed to write the test first, Adam. Yeah. Yeah.
Well.
Forget.
You have to go like 15 minutes back in time.
Yeah. Make a portal gun. So we still need to check if. Wait.
If we ever have to like provide a name for a competition we go to, it should be the Food Water Fighters.
I mean.
Pretty sure we
Yeah.
won't have to.
So. What color? Z. First case, if there is just the obvious one. If it's.
It's weird. I don't know how you're gonna break out that forward.
What do you mean?
Like you can break out the forward, but it'll continue on to bottom.
I mean, I don't have to use this counter thing.
You should use a code tree.
Yeah, I don't think you have to.
Okay. I mean, yeah, you don't have to. I just figured it would be convenient for this case.
Can you get the
I mean, you can easily check like the stuff, like for basically if you've got, more than one of each color and at least one empty space, then it's gonna be valid.
yeah.
So how do I do that in one little if statement? If something and thing is, how do you ask if all of the colors, if you've got at least two or more? Yeah, it may be better to not use the counter.
I think you can use it, you just have to.
What do we do, Cherokee?
This is your break. This is your
Wow,
break.
man, these ladybugs are throwing us for a loop.
There's like an 80-something% success rate on this one.
Huh?
There's like an 80-something%.
Yeah. No, it's an easy problem. Just I don't know why we're just wanting to do it really good or something. I mean, if you didn't do the counter, you check up here like I mean, you could still use a counter and just do this. Like,
So here's something. If it doesn't hit that break requirement there, all you do
here. I'm gonna fix this break issue. There.
okay.
Now we can put code outside of the for loop.
So really easy check. So you have the array of characters, right? So you start at index 1 and you end with 1 before the end. Every other character you check, does it have, is the one before it or the one after it the same as its color? Not like you start at index 0 and then just check, right?
Yeah. But I mean, that'd just
if any
be.
of those don't fulfill the requirement, then you say no.
I mean, that's basically what we were doing. Yeah, that's basically what we're doing with this. So we're just going through it and checking the next one, comparing it to the previous one. Like this is just a little obvious check to make sure, see if it's invalid. You can't just say.
Is there a way in Python you can say if something, if like that counter contains a 1?
Mean for what though?
If any of the values in counter are equal to 1.
Yeah, other than
Yeah, I guess I could say. Actually, I think you can do like. Well. Yeah, you can do that. So I can just say, it's true if you can do some kind of comprehension, something.
Use technical terms.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm having trouble brainstorming right now, probably because I've been awake for so long.
Tired.
Yeah, that's one word for it. Oh man. You said if there is one that only has 1 in it. So you're basically asking if there's a shorter way of doing this for loop?
pretty much.
Oh, okay.
I don't really know how counter works well enough to.
All it does is, like you can see here, so this is, I have the string B, that's like their test one. All you do is you pass some iterable thing to counter and it returns a dictionary. Each of the keys are the unique items in that iterable, and then the value is the number of occurrences. So it's just a really quick way of counting all the unique things. Trying to think if color.
Yeah, you can do it. You don't have to do that. You can do 1 and C dot values.
Thing is, what you have to make sure that the element isn't underscore either, though. So I think you could say you could get like the index of that though. Maybe, I don't know. I could just remove the underscore from it. Isn't there a? It's like, yeah, it's my counter thing. No. No way to remove. Say that again.
You can add a underscore to the string that you start with.
Okay. Yeah.
And it's not a, it already is valid, it will take care of everything, so that if it's one at all, it'll be great.
Well, if it didn't have any underscores to begin with,
Then it's one,
I mean,
and if it is valid past without that underscore.
yeah, that's
Consider
true.
a temporary variable that's the input string plus an underscore.
So,
You counter bmod.
yeah. And then there's values, yeah.
You just return that directly.
Huh?
You just return that directly. It's true, else if it's
Oh, okay.
false if it's up. Oh no, it's like that. No, like, just do is one or whatever equals one in C values.
Nah, man. Nah. You have to use the most complicated way of doing it. Because it's.
If it's true, return true. If
Yeah.
false, return false.
Alright, so.
Just return.
Well,
Return that.
so basically, if is 1, then you know it's invalid,
And show you
right?
opposite.
There's two kinds of programmers.
No.
For sure, yes.
I would want to
Huh? Yeah, no, this isn't it, but.
well, I mean, it's not, even for that case, it's not gonna work.
Oh, man. We're not even using that is valid function up there.
You could do,
I mean,
you could do the counter. You could pop off the underscore, which if it's there, it'll pop it, it's not, it'll do, and then do your in values.
See, I don't think we've got the original.
okay, so pop is the one I was. Yeah. I saw pop item in here a while ago, so I was thinking. Yeah, that's what I was wanting to do a minute ago, but. Well, in that case, you would do counter B and then C dot. Well,
You also have to put the underscore back
Save
on.
yeah.
And then now do, or no, sorry, and then is one. If it is one, return, or you write it back. Yes, space count.
No, 0.
Or 0.
Wait, it wouldn't be zero. It wouldn't be 0. It was what's this pop? I mean, what does it return if it's not there? So it's not there anymore. Okay, so key error. Guess you can do this.
You can give it a second thing, like,
Like a default thing.
yeah, common none.
So we don't want 0 though. Yeah. All right. So if it's equal to 0, print no, then return. If it's not, then you know you've got a space. Then you just have to check. You know the
Check if it's valid.
is valid.
Yeah, so if there's no space, you need to return is valid.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Oh, it's like your if.
Huh?
No, he's not inside the if anymore. He's inside the
Yeah.
for.
Well, that's what I'm saying. If you're inside the if no space, you need to check if it's valid.
Oh, do an else. So
Oh.
else return.
I'll just do the printing part at the very end down here. So
I guess you couldn't return this valid, you have to return no if it's valid or whatever. That's
no, I was gonna have it return a boolean and then down there be like if
that makes sense.
if main.
That's your
So that's and now we need to remove the now we need to remove the underscore out of it, don't we? Or no, you don't because it doesn't have any spaces. Never mind. That was dumb. So
now you need to check if there's one. So now if one in C dot values. If there's no, that's a no, return false.
if this is false,
Yeah, you return false.
if there's a 1 in it, then
You return false.
yeah. Then if
Otherwise it's
true.
otherwise it's true.
Oh, I'll just return this then. Yes. No. Fails. Bet it fails. I told you. Oh, we're not doing it for each thing. Yeah. Well, that was dumb. Yeah. That's like the exact. Oh, I have it backwards.
I don't know why it's backwards.
I actually don't either.
As
Like,
long as it's consistently backwards.
I know. What? No, it's not though. Yes, no, yes. What? I don't know what we're failing.
We're failing the BBB.
Yeah, but we're failing like all of these middle ones. Yeah.
Oh.
I think the cases are.
Yeah, RB is no. Wait, but we said yes on the RB. Or RB.
And we said.
Yeah.
Why did we say yes on it?
And then we put out.
Oh, we said yes. There, the count for underscore was 0, but it shouldn't have. See, it should have said.
No, underscore's right.
No. Or on the RB. It's like it should have caught it. It should have caught it right here. If space count is 0, return is valid B. So our is valid is wrong. No, it's not, because
Yeah, I was gonna say I think
it's
we got
our
the opposite
boolean
one
stuff is
down.
like all messed up for some reason.
Yeah, I was about to say that. I was like,
Yeah,
why don't you switch
because
to true
is
or
valid.
false?
Yeah, is valid was returning true,
It should
and
be
this is at the very bottom is like, oh, it's true. So I've written no. That doesn't make any sense, but whatever. People are gonna look at this code later, like, and be like, "What the heck? This doesn't make any sense." Well, we have 8 minutes left. I think we can condense it some.
There's 8 more minutes I can sleep.
Yeah, or just 8 minutes. I can sleep, not 8 more.
Are you not going to wait for me to finish my list?
Oh, I am. I didn't say I wasn't gonna sleep.
I need to open
There's
it.
my code, and my code wrote all the cases out. I was like, there are 2 cases, and then I wrote 6 cases underneath them.
I can break this whole thing down. Is it?
Right now we've solved.
Well,
Me too. They're due quiz, I have to do my midterm. I have to do another
You don't know
quiz.
us. Oh,
No?
yeah.
yeah. No. Yeah, invalid syntax. Here, I can do this. Print. What is it? I'm trying to think of the same thing, but as just a list.
You do no, if, solve.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah. Else, yes.
We don't need in.
You need
Yeah. This, however, we don't need.
You need the input for in
Wow, the counter is like completely unnecessary though. We can just count the number of zeros. I mean,
No, because
these.
you're returning one and C values. For like,
Yes, that's true.
you still need the input, no. You need to nullify that.
I do? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're saying. Unit testing. I'm testing in, small units of change, and they're failing.
I never backwards.
Oh.
All cases are reversed.
It's like, that's how we meant for it to be in the first place. I don't even know. Just gonna fix that. Back how we had it. Yeah, it is. Anyway, I think that's fine. We did this good output thing here. Just go comment it on somebody's thing in the discussion, Yeah.
Everyone's all confused, like, I can't pass case 5.
I don't know why. Surprised I haven't gotten a reply or something from that one we did that one day with the super short solution. I'll accept case 2. Yeah. Yeah. I don't get why this person thinks this is wrong. It's like if you just have a blank board, yeah, they're not there, so it's I don't know if it actually specifies that or not.
How does the leaderboard on that thing work? Is it time from the
On
contest
this?
start?
I'm not sure. It's with this one, yeah, I think so. Since it's actually in a contest, yeah. Normally though, they don't measure the time at all, like with just the, like little challenges and stuff. All it does is, give you points. So it's basically like everyone is rank 1. But Poland. So, yeah, and there's us. Well, under my alias, but. Let's stay up until stay up for 9 more hours, then we can do the next problem.
Yeah, no.
And it must be hard. The success rate is 0. It's like it hasn't opened yet, and the success rate is like over 0. It'd be funny. Oh man. All right. Well.